cooking in cuisine. Thursday is here. 5 questions. 1 winner. Is it you? Keep your eyes open, a ghost fact could appear at any time. What is the key ingredient that differentiates cochinita pibil from other pulled pork dishes? Nailed it! Achiote paste. The third wave coffee movement emphasizes which of the following? Nailed it! Fair trade practices, single origin beans, and artisan roasting. Which kitchen tool is best for removing the eyes from a potato? That's right, paring knife. Historically, before widespread refrigeration, what was a key purpose of using high amounts of sugar and alcohol in holiday preserves like jams and chutneys? That's right, to prevent spoilage. In some parts of India, which spice is traditionally chewed after meals to freshen breath and aid digestion? Boom! Correct. Fennel seeds. What is the name of the tool used to remove the core from fruits like apples and pears? That's right, corer. Which of these cuisines is known for its extensive use of vegetarian curries and dishes, often incorporating coconut milk and spices? Correct, Thai. Which of these spices is derived from the dried seed pod of an orchid? That's right, vanilla. What type of chocolate is typically used in a German chocolate cake? Nailed it, baking chocolate. What type of nut is commonly used to make marzipan, a popular ingredient in many Christmas pastries and candies? Boom, correct, almonds. Smash that follow button. Tomorrow it's famous landmarks time.